Ever wonder why some boards survive 10 years in the field while others fail in months? Let's follow their secret journey. Welcome to POE THT line, where precision is not the goal, but the standard. Why do plugins still matter today? Not every component likes ref low. High mass connectors, power inductors, and parts facing vibration all need the mechanical bite only THT can provide. We run dual plug-in lanes staffed by IPC-certified techs, handling 10K plus leads per shift while holding plus or minus 0.2 mm lead height. Every part touches two pairs of eyes, alignment, polarity, and ESD integrity locked before the board ever meets solder. After plug-in, each board passes through an airwave solder line. Flux volume, preheat dwell, contact time and solder temperature are logged for every batch to secure consistent wetting and minimal bridging. Components that can't tolerate the wave, tall electrolytic capacitors, plastic-bodied switches, heat-sensitive sensors, are hand-soldered by IPC-certified technicians. Tip temperature, dwell time and iron cleanliness are strictly SOP-driven. Every board exits post-solder with a two-step gate, visual checklist plus AOI X-ray sampling, to guarantee zero cold joints, zero shorts. Ready to improve your THT reliability? Pay attention and send us your Gerber files. Let's build products that last together.